So today we're talking about the frog life cycle, and for our arts and crafts project we will be making a frog face of our own with a paper plate. So first thing I'd like you to do is get your pencil and write your name on the back of your paper plate. Beautiful. Then I would like you to get your paintbrush and get some green paint and make sure you paint your whole paper plate. Super beautiful. After you've painted your paper plate, I'd like you to let it dry for a little. Then I would like you to take out your googly eyes, your little mouth, and get ready to paste your face. When you have your paper plate nice and dried, I'd like you to start with your eyes. So you'll get your eyes and you will cut them out. You'll hold your scissors properly, open and close. You will then get your glue, put a small amount of glue behind the eye, and paste it on your paper plate. Then you will get a small amount of glue in your googly eye and put a small amount behind that too. And paste it on your green eyelid. Then you will continue to cut your other eye out. Add a small amount of glue. Grab your last googly eye and paste. How beautiful! It's still dry. So now we will get our mouthpiece to finish our beautiful froggy face. We'll add a small amount of glue and we will paste it on our face. Wow! Look how beautiful your froggy face turned out today. Thank you.